Hi there everybody. Today I am picking and gutting, God help me, a Yale Platinum. This is one of the worst locks I've ever taken apart, as in it's nightmare. It's a nightmare. I literally put blood, sweat and tears into this. This cylinder was originally going to go in my front door, but I had trouble with the dimples on the side, which are to help with dispersing the force or something to do with one of its features anyway. But I had trouble with that, so I put something different in. It's a 7-pin lock with 4 sliders. I'll show you how the sliders work at the end of the video. Here we have the key, and here's Mr. Pan. He's a pretty boy. On the key you can see where the dimples are, and you see there where the laser track is where the sliders go. It's pretty good lock really. It's not a beginner's lock to pick, but I have to say it was easier than I expected. I don't know if mine was just easy or what. It might have just been the bitting, but it was a lot easier than I expected. Right, all the key pins have this lip on it to stop them falling through the plug. In key driver pin 1 here is a kind of serrated one. 2 is a standard driver. Again, it has the lip on it on the stop the key pin going through the plug. 3 and 4 and 5 are also standard. 6 is standard. Again, they've all got that lip on the key pin, but 7 has a kind of ridge on it, look, which is I've seen on the other video. None of the other videos I've seen on it has this little ridge, look, which is different. Here are the sliders. They interact with the sidebar, which I'll show you, which is just above it. Look, there's the sidebar. There are no false gates on the sliders, which makes it easier than you'd expect to get them aligned. The sidebar's also got springs in it, and once the sidebar fits into these grooves, the slots on the sliders, it can then retract and go into the plug. As you can see, the size of the sliders, the gap is quite big. The sidebar is just a little bit smaller than the gap in the sliders, so it fits pretty snugly. Yeah, there's also a drill plate there which goes into plug to help with the drill resistance. The sidebar goes in here. There's springs in there, and when it's engaged, it goes into this ridge up in the top, look, and there is a drill protection right here at the front. It's where that first cavity, which looks like a place for the pins, is. Well, that's about all on this lock. I think I might turn it into a challenge lock. I think this will be a blooming hard one if I put some false gates in it on the sliders, and put some spools in there and some more serrated ones. Yeah, I think that would be good. Maybe a trampoline pin, that would be good. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day, guys. Thank you. Bye.